How to pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as this cannot be done from your Spotify app. Further, in the search bar, search for spotify.com and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for premium. Tap on that and then tap on the see all subscriptions option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your Spotify subscription that Spotify has to offer. So simply scroll through and tap on the subscription plan that suits your preference the most and then tap on the try option you see there. You will then be required to enter your payment method, so choose between credit card or debit card or PayPal. You will then be required to enter your card number, your expiry date, and your security code. So simply enter that and then tap on the complete purchase button you see there. With this, if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then your subscription plan will be bought successfully. So this is how you can pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.